Hello and welcome to this video. Today I want to show you how to set up a Wiser code reader for multi-code reading just using a mobile phone. So we need no PC, we need no big hardware, just what we need is a mobile phone, our Wiser, and of course a router which provides us the wireless LAN connection to the Wiser. What we see here is our SensoFind app. The SensoFind app can be installed over the Apple Web Store or over the SensoPart homepage where it is available for Android systems. And I start the SensoFind and you see already there is one sensor in the list. This is exactly the sensor I have mounted here. And I can click on this Wiser and just go on this connect icon, and I'm now in the web browser of my mobile phone, and we see there are no jobs available. So my step is now I stop the sensor, I create a new job, I use the wizard for our code reader. What's happening now is the Wiser is performing an autofocus and auto brightness. Image setup completed, looks fine. So I search for codes now. This will take some seconds because we are looking for all the codes which may be interesting for us. And in this example I have two codes on this label. It's a ECC 200 code and a GS1 128 code. Yeah, now we found our two codes, as already mentioned, the two code types. And now next step is I do a code quality check and we get the information how good our image is and how good the code was detected. And we see everything is fine here. All parameters are in the green range, and so I'm nearly finished. I create and execute my job. I save my changes and start the sensor, and I'm done. So I have set up now the code reader for multi-code reading completely over the mobile phone. I hope this video was interesting for you, and of course we are happy if you would contact us.